issues. I'm just going to keep talking as I switch between stuff. Great. All right, we're good. So let's go to 3D modeling. So I'm going to start here. We left off last time. Y'all were designing sample files for laser cutting. You were making just files in Illustrator. The whole premise of it is we could go from Illustrator to our laser cutter machine and the computer set up next to it, which has Illustrator, and you could cut sample files. So when we were looking at it, we just a brief recap. We have different settings that we can blast with the laser on a material, cut through stuff. Engrave, we can engrave things. Raster. The engrave and raster are kind of similar. Engrave, you're following a line, and you're just burning the material a little bit. And with raster, you're burning an area. All of this is we're using vectors of some sort, or paths, and we're primarily using closed paths. Some of them are open, just like this line right here. And we're using layers to kind of help us navigate stuff. So we learned a lot of stuff in Illustrator. It was great.